Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what connectors you have and why that matters. USB-C and USB-A carry both audio and power. 3. 5mm carries analog audio only, and wireless uses Bluetooth or a USB dongle. Plug in a USB dongle or cable now so the laptop detects hardware. If you choose Bluetooth, open Settings and enable Bluetooth. For wired, insert the plug. Install Hyperx Ngenuity when available to unlock mic and EQ settings. This prevents driver mismatches and simplifies. Once the hardware is connected, set the headset as both playback and recording device so apps route sound correctly. Open Sound Settings, choose the correct device name for output and input, then make it default. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match typical values, 48,000 Hz and 16-bit, to avoid latency or quality mismatch. If you installed Ngenuity, use it now to adjust mic gain, enable side tone, and check for firmware updates, because firmware can fix audio dropouts and improve compatibility. Finish by testing both playback and microphone. Record a short clip and play music to ensure clarity and correct channel balance. If you hear no audio or the mic is muted, make sure the inline or headset mute is off and that Windows or Mac OS isn't lowering volume for communications. If problems remain, try a different USB port or adapter, reinstall Hyperx drivers or Ngenuity, and reset Bluetooth pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: firmware or driver mismatches cause most failures. Update.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.